Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE1906@gmail.com. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I made the video on the topic the cripple walk. The cripple walk, this video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to make the video on the topic called the decree method. Okay. So friends, this is 70 number video topic and the name of this topic is decree method. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Power goes into our word according to the feeling and faith behind it. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling power goes according to the word, according to the feeling and faith behind it. So whatever faith and belief we have beyond it, in that way the power goes behind it, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. When we realize the power that moves the world is moving on our behalf and is backing up our word. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that when we realize that power moves behind us, and at that point of time power is moving behind us and it is backing our world, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic our confidence and assurance to go. So it backs our word, confidence and also the assurance to grow, friends. Okay, so this is the work of the faith. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You do not try and to add power to power. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling we do not try and we do not add power on power, friends. Okay. Therefore, there must be no mental strife, correlation, force, or mental wrestling. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling so there is no such thing of mental striving, mental wrestling, or the mental force, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. A young girl used to decree method on a young man. So your author Joseph Murphy is trying to make us understand by example. So there was a young girl who used to decree method on a young man who was constantly phoning her. So there was a man who was constantly phoning a young girl. So the girl used the decree method, pressing her for dates and meeting her at her place for business. So that man was calling her for the placing for the dates and also the meeting at her place for some sort of business, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She found it very difficult to get rid of him. So this girl found it very difficult to get rid of this man. She decreed as follows. So what she decreed, it is given here. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, friends. Okay, I realize unto God. So that girl said that I realize unto God he is in the true place at all times. So he was feeling that he was in all the true place of all the point of at the time. I am free and he is free. So she said in this mind, I am also free and she is also free and he is also free. I now decree that my words go forth into infinite mind and bring it to pass. So now she said that let this word go to the infinite mind and bring it to pass. It is so, she said, he vanished and she never seen him since. So in that way now he vanished and he have never seen her. Adding it was a through ground followed to him up. So adding said that ground followed that man up. Through short decree a thing, and it shall be established unto three, and the light shall shine upon the waves. Job verse chapter 22 verse 28. So here it is being said, through Saul decree a thing, and it shall be established unto the three, and the light shall be shine upon the wayfriends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. So basically here what happens, a man used to call a young girl many a time for the dates and for business meetings, but that girl said that he was not interested. So she used to tell in her mind that I am free of that man, and I am not interested in her, and he is also not interested in me. So in this way, the universal mind helped her to get rid of that man, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called decree method. Okay, and friends, in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called serve yourself with scientific truth. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.